In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a forecast in HubSpot in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to HubSpot or have been using it for a while, this process is straightforward once you understand the steps. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot homepage. This is the central hub for accessing all the tools and resources HubSpot offers for your business. Once there, the next step is to log into your account. You can find the login button usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking this will lead you to the login page where you'll enter your credentials. If you don't remember them, you can always reset your password by following the on-screen instructions. Upon logging in, you will be directed to the HubSpot home. This is where you have a quick overview of your current activities, tasks, and insights. From here, we're moving on to the sales section. Simply look for the sales tab, which typically appears in the main navigation bar. Clicking on sales will open up a new set of options tailored to enhance and manage your sales processes. After you reach the sales section, the next thing you want to do is find and click on the forecast option. This section is crucial as it lets you evaluate and predict your sales outcomes, helping you strategize effectively. The forecast area provides insights into your current deals and how they align with your sales targets. Once you are in the forecast section, it's time to make any necessary edits. Look for the edit button. Clicking on it will allow you to adjust the information you need before finalizing your forecast submission. This could include revising sales targets, updating deal stages, or any other relevant details that ensure your forecast is accurate and current. It's always a good idea to double check or have recent data on hand to make any necessary tweaks. Finally, after reviewing and editing your data, you will see the Submit Forecast button. Clicking this button will send your updated projections for approval or reporting. Remember, accuracy is key, so take a moment to ensure everything is in place before you hit Submit. Once you've done that, your forecast is officially submitted and you're all set. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to submit a forecast in HubSpot. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently manage your sales forecasts and make informed business decisions. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for more HubSpot tutorials that simplify and enhance your business management experience.